hope you will be fine and doing well. This is Toyota Auris 2013 registration year, black in color. Beautiful it is looking. Beautiful silver alloy rim is there with Toyota logo. All the tires are in great condition. The side indicators are attached with the side mirrors. 1.8 petrol hybrid engine is there and 129,000 miles there. Some mechanical it is beautiful looking and no scratches or major dent on body. Condition is fine, looking good. This Auris is available at the car traders, which is in Romford, just opposite to Romford Smith in Crowland. Don't forget to explore the website of the car traders. There's many vehicles on stock at the website, so you will find a beautiful vehicle for you from the car traders website. Let's quickly have a look at the interior of this. Interior is there and uh, the ignition and the vehicle is on at the moment, but as it is hybrid, so that's why it's not making any sound. And these are the four switches to control the window, and all our auto windows are there, and the lock and lock switch is there. The side mirrors are powered mirrors, so we can rotate them, we can adjust their angle. And these are some of the cruise control is there for Toyota Auris. We can connect our mobile phone with this Toyota Auris. We can pick a call, reject a call from here, and some voice command option is there. So these are the controllers to control this mini LCD of speedometer, and we can increase decrease the volume from here. We can change the mood, we can change the audio source from here. So that's quite nice. Just have a look. So beautiful it is looking. Bass boosted speakers there at every door. Heating and cooling system is awesome. Automatic climate option is also there in this Toyota Auris. Power mode, EV mode and eco mode is there in this Toyota Auris. 5-volt USB aux cable option is there and 12-volt electricity outlet, so we can charge our mobile phone. The transmission is automatic. The front couple of seats are heated seats and beautiful it is looking. This is the handbrake. Interior lights are looking awesome, beautiful. And just have a look. 129,872 miles on clock, and beautiful it is looking. It's quite nice. The back of the driver's seat can be controlled here. The rest of the seat can be controlled automatically, and this semi electrical seat is there. Super clean and with nice carpet and mats are there. This is the left ear, just similar to the rear door. If passengers have massive comfortable space for comfortable sitting. All the tires and rims are great in condition. And finally, this is the passenger side door. Again, same as it is with other doors. And here we have a little leather texture is there, which looks quite nice and beautiful. A nice airflow system is there. This is the glove box. Just have a look. Beautiful it is looking. So this is the view with open doors of Toyota Auris. So I hope you guys got it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to explore the website. Make sure to subscribe this channel, the Car Traders UK, and like this video as well. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.
Come visit us today and discover why discerning drivers choose the car traders for all their automotive needs. Your dream car awaits, and we're here to help you find it.